a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, heated front seats, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, power windows, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.